Encouraged by their shared journey, Oliver and Luna continued to explore the realm of dreams, encountering dreamers who aspired to dance with the wind, heal with the touch of a hand, and explore the cosmos. Each dream added a layer of richness to their shared canvas, creating a tapestry of aspirations that danced in the ever-changing light. However, as Oliver delved deeper into the dreamscape, he couldn't shake the lingering doubts about returning to reality. The Dreamweaver sensed his inner turmoil and led him to the reflecting pool, a serene oasis where the waters mirrored the true desires of the heart. As Oliver gazed into the pool, he saw visions of his future. The swirling images depicted a life where he pursued his artistic passion, sharing his dreams with the world. The doubts that had clouded his mind began to dissipate, replaced by a newfound clarity and resolve. Determined to bring the magic of the realm of dreams back to Havenbrook, Oliver and Luna painted a colossal mural on the side of the Beacon of Dreams. The mural depicted the dreams they had encountered, a visual symphony that radiated inspiration to all who beheld it. As the mural took shape, the Beacon of Dreams began to emanate a radiant glow that transcended the boundaries of the dreamscape. The people of Havenbrook, drawn by the ethereal light, gathered around the lighthouse, their hearts filled with a sense of wonder and possibility. The Dreamweaver appeared one last time, her eyes twinkling with pride. "Oliver, Luna, you have brought the magic of dreams to the realm of reality. The Beacon of Dreams shall forever guide those who seek to illuminate their aspirations." The people of Havenbrook, inspired by the mural and the radiant light of the Beacon of Dreams, began to pursue their passions with renewed vigor. The village transformed into a haven where dreams were embraced, and the beacon became a symbol of hope for dreamers around the world. As for Oliver and Luna, they continued to paint and compose, their creations reflecting the boundless magic they had experienced in the realm of dreams. The Beacon of Dreams stood as a testament to the power of following one's aspirations, illuminating the path for dreamers in Havenbrook and beyond. And so, as the waves continued to crash against the cliffs and the Beacon of Dreams cast its glow over Havenbrook, the village became a living testament to the timeless magic that exists when dreams are pursued with courage, passion, and an open heart. Title: The Timekeeper's Garden. In a quiet town named Evergreen, nestled between hills covered in lush foliage, there existed a magical garden known as the Timekeeper's Garden. Legend had it that the flowers in this garden held the power to slow down time, allowing those who entered to experience moments with an extraordinary depth and richness. One ordinary day, a young woman named Grace found herself wandering through the outskirts of Evergreen. Feeling a sense of curiosity, she followed a narrow path that led her to the entrance of the Timekeeper's Garden. The air in the garden felt different, carrying a soft, melodic hum that seemed to echo the passing of time. As Grace stepped through the wrought iron gate, she was greeted by an enchanting world. Flowers of every hue imaginable adorned the garden, their petals shimmering with a subtle iridescence. The air was infused with a sweet fragrance, and a gentle breeze whispered tales of ages past. In the heart of the garden stood an ancient clock tower covered in climbing ivy. The face of the clock was adorned with intricate symbols, and the hands moved with a deliberate and measured grace. A figure emerged from the shadows, the timekeeper, a wise and ethereal being who tended to the garden. "Welcome, seeker of moments," the timekeeper intoned. "In this garden, time dances to the rhythm of the heart. Each bloom holds the essence of a timeless moment. Would you like to experience the magic within?" Eager to embrace the extraordinary, Grace nodded. The timekeeper handed her a delicate silver key adorned with a flower-shaped handle. "This key will unlock the moments hidden within the blooms. Choose wisely, and savor the beauty of time." Grace, guided by the melodic hum of the garden, approached a radiant sunflower. As she inserted the key, the petals unfurled, revealing a scene from her childhood, a sunny day by the river with her grandmother. The laughter, the warmth, and the love enveloped her, creating a moment suspended in time. Encouraged by the first enchanting encounter, Grace explored the garden further. Each flower she chose unfolded into a unique moment, a first dance, a quiet sunrise, a shared glance that spoke volumes. The garden resonated with the symphony of emotions, and Grace reveled in the beauty of each timeless scene. As Grace wandered deeper into the timekeeper's garden, she encountered a mysterious door covered in ivy. The timekeeper appeared beside her, explaining that this door led to the heart of the garden, where the most precious moments were hidden. To open it, Grace needed to use the final key, a silver blossom-shaped key that held the essence of a moment yet to be experienced. Intrigued and filled with anticipation, Grace approached the door and inserted the key. The door swung open, revealing a surreal landscape, a meadow bathed in the soft glow of twilight. In the center of the meadow stood a luminous tree with branches adorned with silver leaves. The timekeeper gestured towards the tree. This is the tree of destiny. It holds the moments that are yet to unfold. Choose a silver leaf, and you shall glimpse a fragment of your future. Grace hesitated, her heart fluttering with a mix of excitement and trepidation. After a moment of contemplation, she plucked a silver leaf from the tree of destiny. As she held it in her hand, an ethereal vision unfolded before her eyes, a moment of connection and profound joy that awaited her in the years to come. Filled with a newfound sense of purpose, Grace thanked the timekeeper for the extraordinary journey through the timekeeper's garden. The garden, she realized, was a sanctuary where the past, present, and future intertwined in a delicate dance. As Grace stepped back through the garden gate into Evergreen, she carried the timeless moments with her. The flowers in the timekeeper's garden continued to bloom, each petal holding the essence of a cherished memory or a yet-to-be-discovered joy. Grace, now aware of the precious nature of time, lived her days with gratitude and a deep appreciation for every moment. The people of Evergreen, inspired by her newfound wisdom, often glimpsed her wandering through the outskirts of town, a serene smile on her face as she carried the magic of the timekeeper's garden within her heart. And so, the legend of the timekeeper's garden persisted, inviting wanderers and dreamers to explore its enchanting blooms and savor the timeless beauty hidden within the delicate petals. The garden, like a guardian of moments, stood as a testament to the enduring magic found in the simple yet profound experiences that make up the tapestry of life. Title: The Whimsical Bookshop. In the heart of a charming town named Storyville, there stood a whimsical bookshop known as Pages of Wonder. This enchanting bookstore was no ordinary place. It possessed a magical quality that allowed the characters within its pages to come to life every night. It was run by a quirky and mysterious owner named Mr. Jasper Finch. One day, a young girl named Lily wandered into Storyville. With her nose perpetually buried in books, Lily couldn't resist exploring the magical allure of Pages of Wonder. As she stepped through the creaky door, the gentle chime signaled her entry into a world where tales and reality intertwined. Mr. Jasper Finch, with his twinkling eyes and an elaborate waistcoat adorned with colorful bookmarks, greeted Lily. "Ah, a new reader. Welcome to Pages of Wonder, where stories breathe and adventures come alive. Feel free to explore, dear." Lily, captivated by the shelves that seemed to stretch endlessly, began her journey through the aisles. She discovered books that whispered tales of distant lands, ancient mysteries, and fantastical creatures. Each page held a promise of something extraordinary. As dusk settled over Storyville, Lily noticed a subtle change in the air. The characters from the books started to stir. The heroic knights, mischievous fairies, and daring adventurers emerged from their literary confines, stretching and yawning as if awakening from a deep slumber. In a corner, Lily spotted a small mouse with a worn hat and a tiny book in its paws. Intrigued, she approached, and the mouse introduced itself as Oliver Quill, a character from a children's book about a brave mouse who loved to write. "Hello, Lily. Fancy an adventure in the world of ink and paper?" Oliver Quill squeaked, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Lily, wide-eyed and thrilled, joined Oliver and his whimsical companions as they embarked on an adventure through the pages of different books. They sailed on pirate ships, soared through the skies on the backs of dragons, and danced in enchanted ballrooms. The magical night unfolded with each turned page, and Lily found herself immersed in a tapestry of stories. The characters, once confined to the written word, reveled in the joy of living their tales beyond the confines of the printed pages. As the night waned, Lily and her newfound friends returned to Pages of Wonder, their adventures etched in the memories of both the characters and the enchanted bookshop. Mr. Jasper Finch, with a knowing smile, welcomed them back. "You see, Lily, every reader who steps into Pages of Wonder brings life to the stories within. Your imagination breathes vitality into the characters, and the magic of the bookshop thrives on the joy of shared adventures." Over the days that followed, Lily continued to explore the enchanting bookshop, forming friendships with characters from all genres. She helped Detective Mice solve mysteries, joined epic battles with valiant knights, and even attended tea parties with whimsical creatures from fantasy realms.